Oops.
Wonderful. Hi everyone, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. My name's Amy. So summer is here and it's getting really hot around here. This is the time of year where we all like to make no-bake desserts so we don't have to turn on our oven. So this is a really great quick recipe for some cheesecake dip, and I can't wait to show you how to do it. So let's get started. So in my bowl I have 1 block of cream cheese, some granulated sugar, and some sour cream, or you can substitute some Greek yogurt if you would like. They work kind of interchangeably in a recipe. And I'm using a hand mixer for this today. Electric hand mixer, and I'm using a whisk attachment because I want all of this to get really whipped up and fluffy. I used granulated sugar in this recipe because I think that powdered sugar is very sweet, but if you would like to substitute powdered sugar or granulated sugar, whichever you call it, that is totally fine. This is just my preference. Just gonna scrape down my bowl to make sure that everything is getting incorporated and mixed in well. Gonna add in my heavy cream. And then we're just gonna mix this up until it's all whipped up and fluffy. Alright, now as you can see we have a stiff peak on there, so we are ready. I'm just going to transfer half of this mixture into a separate bowl. So I have half in this bowl. To our other half of the cheesecake dip, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Start your mixer low so that the cocoa powder doesn't, fly all over you. Okay. I pushed my vanilla to the side as best as I could, and then I'm gonna put the chocolate beside it. So we're just gonna take a knife and swirl. It's kind of funny, it kind of looks like soft serve ice cream a little bit. Nothing wrong with that. So a few things I like to pair with this are some animal crackers or some fruit like watermelon, blueberries, strawberries, or even apple slices. Whatever you pair this with, it's sure to be absolutely delicious. So if you enjoyed this video and you learned something, please give it a like down below. And while you're down there, please send me any suggestions for what you would like to see next. And subscribe for more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hi guys, I just wanted to cut into the end of this video to let you guys know what happened. If you guys follow me on any of my social medias, you might be a little bit confused because I posted a picture of some ingredients that I was going to be using for this video today. And the ingredients included some fruit and some vanilla pudding and completely different ingredients than I used today. That was supposed to be a different recipe that I did make, but I made a little bit of an oopsie in there. I know, surprise, surprise. But I just need a little bit more time on that video. As you know, if you've been following me for a while, I never cut out any of my flops, so you will see what I did to make the oopsie that I did. I obviously want to make the recipe the correct way so that you guys can actually see the correct way to do it. But as I said, I just need some more time with that. So that video will be coming probably next week, but we'll see how that all goes. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye!